Small, small, small oranges. These are normally good. Oh, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of dogs here. That's a different kind of orange on that one. I don't know why they're not harvesting them. Waiting for tourists, maybe. I think we have more dogs than oranges, though. Oh, there's a lot. In different stages, like right in that shot, there's at least 3 different stages of oranges. That's really good. It's a lot, yeah? Look at this. How cool is that? Water pump. See how close together the trees are? They're really small trees. Almost all of them are propped up with bamboo, yeah? It's a lot of weight on a small tree. This place is a lot bigger than I thought it was. It's a bigger one. How many's on this little tree? Just load it up, man.